Hi, welcome to the delicious recipes. Today we're gonna cook broccoli with tofu. And here's our ingredients. First, we're gonna put hot water the mushroom and we're gonna soak in the hot water and we're gonna set aside this one while we preparing our other ingredients. And we're gonna prepare our tofu now. I'm just use half of this tofu, and guys, I'm wipe the tofu to dry up because some other tofu so very watery and soft. Before you cook, it's better to dry first. We're gonna cut this one to a square shape, and guys, it's up to you what size you want and what shape you want your tofu, but I prefer like this square and small a little bit. Next, we're gonna prepare our broccoli. And next, we're gonna prepare our carrots and just cut like this. Guys, we're using two colors of bell pepper here, half red and half green bell pepper, and we're gonna cut this one to square shape. Guys, I separate the stalk of celery and leaves because we're gonna put first the stalk of celery and the leaves of celery. We're gonna put this in the last after cook all the ingredients. And now we're gonna prepare the cornstarch to our sauce. We're gonna use here 1 tablespoon cornstarch and we're gonna use here 1/4 cup of warm water. And we have boiled water here. And now we're gonna put the broccoli and carrot. Guys, take note, we just put the broccoli and carrot for 50 seconds and take out after 50 seconds because we don't want to overcook our vegetable. We want crunchy or evenly cooked only our broccoli and carrot. And don't throw away the boiled water from this vegetable. We're gonna use this to make soft and sauce. Okay, now we're gonna fry our tofu. We just fry this one, our tofu just golden brown. And now let's start to cook all the ingredients. Let's cook 3 minutes or more the baby corn. If you see the baby corn is cooked, you can put our mushroom. Okay, our baby corn is cooked already, so we can put our mushroom now. And next, once the mushroom is cooked, we're gonna put now our tofu. And next, we're gonna put our soy sauce. Guys, this is 4 tablespoons soy sauce. And next, we're gonna put a stalk of celery. And take note, guys, don't cook too much, just cook half evenly. And next, we're gonna put water. Guys, this water is from the boiled water of broccoli and carrots. Do you remember, guys? And we're gonna cover for 1 minute only. And next, we're gonna put our broccoli and carrots. Next, our bell pepper. Next, we're gonna put our half tablespoon oyster sauce. And next, we're gonna put the cornstarch we made before. And put the salt and garlic powder. Okay guys, now you need to turn off the stove. And now it's time to put the celery of the leaves. And voila, this is our broccoli with tofu. Guys, this recipe is very delicious and healthy. You can try to cook to your home. Delicious. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe so you will not miss our next video. Goodbye.